Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 3, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Column G, we have 4 numbers 3, 4, 9, 8. It can't come these cells. It will come any one of the 4 cells. We'll confirm later. Then in this grid, only 3 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 6. Second row and third row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1, 5. Second row we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third row and fourth row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Only 3 numbers are remaining 3, 9, 8. Third row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. Column E we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column G, only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 7. We will confirm later. Column F we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 7, 8. Fourth row we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come in this cell. Then only 1 numbers are remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. 7 and 8 will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Third row and fourth row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Second row only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. Column I we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. Column J we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5. We will confirm later. Third row, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. First grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. We will confirm later. Column H, only 3 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 5. Column I and column J we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5. We will confirm later. Column J and 8th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 6, 8. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. then 9 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 2. 10th row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Ninth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Ninth row, we have 6 and 8, so 6 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the cells, then only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 6 and 8 will confirm later. Ninth row, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 8th row and 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column H, only one numbers are remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 9th grade, only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column I, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Eighth row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column C, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 8th row, only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column B, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column C, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 5th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 8. 5th row and 7th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, we will confirm later. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column J, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column F, only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 5th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column I, only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. In column J, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Fifth row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.